Hi, this is Jennifer from Jennifer's Hamam, and today I want to talk about pestamel and twisted fringe. In front of me is a beautiful Uppbeat design pestamel, and as you can see, it has twisted fringe. Twisted fringe are done by the women in the villages. Women do not do the weaving because of the history of weaving. We only have men weavers. But they do tie the fringe at home, and these are tied by human hands, and sometimes in our modern day washing machines, these fringe can come undone. So as you look across here, you can see that they're all nice and neat until we get over here. And the washing machine made a mess of these two fringe. But I'm going to teach you how to fix this in just 30 seconds. So I know that there was two of them because I can kind of see from here that I have two chunks. And I'm going to take these chunks, and what I want to do is twist them. Now you can do this one at a time or both together. I'm going to do this one clockwise, really tight. And then I'm going to take my other chunk and I'm going to do it also clockwise, really tight. Okay, and then I'm going to put those two chunks together and I'm going to go counterclockwise. And you can see that they just kind of naturally want to twist up. Then the only other part that's necessary is a knot at the end. And the tighter you pull it, the less chance there is of that coming undone. So now I've just created a fringe. The women in the village are incredible. They just go shoop, shoop, tie a knot, and it's done. I'm not able to do that, and I can't teach you that. But this method that I'm showing you is really easy. So here again, this is a little more tangled, but I'm putting it into two chunks. And my one side, I'm going to go clockwise, and it doesn't matter as long as when you're doing the first set of twisting on your one chunk, you go the same direction on the second chunk. Okay, so I've gone clockwise on both of them. Now they're nice and tight. And now I'm putting them together. And now I'm going counterclockwise. And they're just naturally going to go together. I'm going to tie a nice little knot. And I'm all thumbs, but that's okay. And I've got another beautiful twisted fringe. So that's how you fix your pestamel in case a fringe comes apart or a tassel comes apart in the washing machine or dryer.